Sick Hillary returns, Clinton has another coughing fit, and the media ignored it. Hillary Clinton has been under the weather for about 3 years now. That seems to be the only conclusion one can draw after the failed presidential candidate had yet another public coughing fit, one that went largely ignored in the mainstream media. Clinton was in Philadelphia on Thursday for her latest stop on the Hillary Clinton Live book tour to promote her memoir, What Happened. According to Stephen Silver of PhillyVoice.com, Clinton discussed a number of issues, but mostly Donald Trump and her failed election campaign. Clinton discussed a lot of the themes that she's touched on in previous interviews for the book: overcoming adversity, opposing the Trump administration, and coming to grips with all of the things that went wrong for her in the 2016 vote. She also addressed the recent wave of sexual harassment scandals, and even fended off a heckler who taunted her about the debunked Pizzagate conspiracy theory. Her fiery response to the latter led to, roughly, one of 4 standing ovations throughout the evening. As a person, I'm okay, Clinton said. As an American, I'm very concerned. The most interesting moment of the evening, at least for Hillary critics, was buried in Silver's story. Near the end of the article, he mentioned that Clinton has yet another of her fabled coughing fits. Unfortunately, there isn't video of the incident, but it has happened so often, you can imagine how it went. At one point early in the evening, Clinton launched into an extended coughing fit, the kind of thing that tended to lead to theories during the campaign that the candidate was concealing some sort of illness. Bonner attempted to fill the time by making a self-deprecating joke about her own last name, but knowing that Clinton's history with a man of that particular surname is what led to the notorious Comey letter, she may have not found it so funny. It should be noted that a number of national media outlets picked up Clinton's speech, mostly focusing on her comments regarding the Matt Lauer scandal. However, they all glossed over the latest Hillary Clinton coughing fit, and no video of the incident has been released by the media. Given voters' concerns about Hillary's health that were raised during the campaign, ignoring this glaring issue will only raise conspiracy theories that she is hiding a serious medical condition. Nearly every public appearance she has had, regardless of the time of year, has been marred by a coughing fit.